Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. I will show you how to create meeting summaries using Notion AI. So let's get started. First, open Notion and go to your meeting notes page. Over here, highlight the text that you want to summarize or click on the AI icon to open the AI chat. Then type a prompt such as summarize these meeting notes into key action points and press enter. After that, wait for Notion AI to generate the summary for you. Over here, review the short summary with the main decisions, tasks, and highlights. Then ask Notion AI to refine the summary if needed. After that, select the generated summary and choose options like reformat, explain, proofread, or improve writing. Over here, you can also edit it with AI. Simply enter your prompt and let Notion AI update it for you. Then use the generated summary to turn long meeting notes into clear, structured summaries quickly. And that wraps it up. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.